This is my review of the Tesla Sunshade. This is on a 2026 Tesla Model Y. It's basically in two parts right here. You have the front part and the back part right here. You can see just fits in here seamless. Basically how it connects, it's got this middle connector right here, and it's got these connectors right here. So basically I have two on the sides, three in the front, and then two in the back. So it's basically, this is just like very fabric. It's not too heavy, but it does keep the heat out of here. So I am very pleased with it. It does keep the interior cooler. I don't have the cabin overheat protection going off as much as I did before, and just overall keeps it a lot cooler. The problem we had was when we were driving, there's just too much of a glare on the screen and just way too much sun in here, so this absolutely fits the problem. Ships in a flat box. These are basically just folded up. They unfold real easy, so they put all the tabs in a clear container. There's about 10 pieces here for the clips, and then these just unfold right here, and it's a really easy to put it in here. Say it's probably at like 5 minutes or so from unboxing to get it up and running. But if you've got a Tesla Model Y, you absolutely want to check this out. It just covers the roof up nicely, keeps it nice and cool in there, and it was a really easy installation.